Hi Pixelers! Grab your pencils and papers because today we're going to draw Winnie the Pooh. For this drawing, we're going to use black, yellow, and pink colored pencils. This drawing is 25 squares tall and 24 squares wide. Let's start by just skipping 3 squares from left to right. In the fourth square, we'll mark 3 horizontally with black color. Down to the left 1. Down to the left 3 vertically. Down to the right 1. Down to the right 4 vertically. Down to the left 3 vertically. Down to the left 2 vertically. Down to the left 4 vertically. Down to the right 2 vertically. Down to the right 2 diagonally. Down to the right 2 horizontally. Down to the right 12 horizontally. Up to the right 2 horizontally. Up to the right 2 diagonally. Up to the right 2 vertically. Up to the right 4 vertically. Up to the left 2 vertically. Up to the left 3 vertically. Up to the left 4 vertically. Up to the right 1. Up to the right 3 vertically. Up to the left 1. Up to the left 3 horizontally. Down to the left 2 vertically. Down to the left 1. Up to the left 8 horizontally. Down to the left 1. Up to the left 2 vertically. From this square, skip 1 square down and mark 2 horizontally. From this square, down 2 horizontally. From this square, down 1. From this square, skip 1 square down and mark 2 horizontally. From this square, down 2 horizontally. From this square, down 1. From this square, skip 4 squares to the right and mark 2 vertically. From this square, skip 1 square to the right and mark 6 horizontally. Skip 1 square to the right and mark 2 vertically. In this line, count 2 from left to right and mark 4 horizontally below. In this line, count 2 from left to right and mark 2 horizontally below. From this square, skip 3 squares down and mark 3 vertically. Up to the left 2 horizontally. From this square, down 2 vertically. From this square, up to the right 2 horizontally. Down to the right 2 vertically. Down to the left 2 vertically. From this square to the left 1. From this square, down to the right 4 horizontally. Up to the right 2 horizontally. Up to the right 1. Up to the right 3 vertically. From this square to the right 1. And now we're going to color all the squares we marked. And I want to invite you to join the Pixeler Club. And how? It's very simple. You just have to subscribe and activate the notification bell. In the top corner, I'll leave you the link to my Spanish pixel art channel where there are hundreds of drawings waiting for you. We take the pink color and we're going to color this area. We continue with the yellow color, coloring the rest of our drawing. In the top corner, I share the links to my gaming channel and also my crafts channel. And here's our drawing for today. If you like it, don't forget to support the video with a super pixelated like and tell me who's your favorite chapter in Winnie the Pooh. Thank you so much, Pixelers, for being here for our new video. Sending you a huge hug full of love. I'm Paito and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!